Hi, I'm Gareth, and welcome to Decisions for Happiness, a course designed to help you make better decisions in your life. By the fact that you're here, either you're stuck with a difficult decision at the moment, want to learn how to make better decisions in your life, or perhaps just looking for a method in which you can use to apply to make better choices in the decisions that you make. You've got to where you've got to in your life as a result of an inordinate number of decisions that have got you to this point. Just by making the decision to take this course shows that you take decision making seriously, and give yourself some credit for that. This course has been designed to give you a process that you can easily adopt and implement to make better decisions in your life. While the process is not difficult to implement or understand, getting through some of the exercises is not going to be easy. We're going to work on some tasks that force you to take an honest look at yourself, what your fears are, and what is most important to you. There may also be times when you feel some conflict and are even overwhelmed. In order to make better decisions, you need to gain a deep understanding of every element related to decision making. From the steps you go through, the components of a decision, your options and how you weight them, and the intricate role that your mind plays in the entire process. This course is not going to be a copy and paste of some steps that will improve your decision making ability. It's going to be a personal journey of learning and understanding all of these elements and how they fit together. The reason we're telling you this is that there's going to be a large part of this course which are simply about understanding how things work and how they fit together. But it's only through this understanding that you'll gain the insight that you need to make better choices. A lot of this has to do with clearing your mind and getting personal clarity. Many of the sections on this course will require you to write things down, and as we mentioned in later sections, writing things down is a very powerful method to provide clarity and take action. Decision making and the role that your mind plays in how you make decisions is a very complex environment. We're going to work through specific frameworks and a process which you can use to adopt in your life to make better decisions. While this framework is going to give you potentially some guidance in terms of how you make your choice, it's very important to again take that decision and place it back into context, the context of which is beyond the realms of this particular course, because how that decision affects your particular happiness or the specific scenario in which you're in makes a huge difference. Thanks again for taking this step in your personal improvement and for allowing us the opportunity to show you how to make better decisions for happiness. We hope you enjoy the course and we know you won't be disappointed.